Got it. Hiya folks, it's Eddie again at Alfaman. Today I've got an Alpha Spider, as you can see, and it's failed on the handbrake cable. And this is a swine of a job. I've got two new Alfa Romeo original equipment handbrake cables. I've rejected the idea of putting pattern ones on. I looked at the pattern ones and thought to myself, no thanks. So to do this job, it's very long-winded and you have to start from the beginning. And I've tried to undo the handbrake cables from the handbrake lever, but you can't, there's no room. And you certainly don't want to damage the car because customers get very upset when you do that. So what I've had to do in the end, I've taken the front seats out, there they are over here, and I have taken the back panel off. Here it is here, there it is here, and I've undone the 4 screws holding the center console. I don't really want to have to take anything else off. And with one guy lifting up, I can actually get my hands in to undo the cable from the handbrake lever, and I can now pull the carpet back to undo the 2 nuts that hold the handbrake cables in position. And that's how you have to do this horrible job. There is no other way. So it's probably a 5 or a 6 hour job, and you've just got to take your time and you've got to be very, very patient with it. And I'll speak to you guys another time. So it's Eddie from Alfaman wishing you all well, and I hope you all stay safe. Thank you.